LuvLap Sunshine Stroller. Contents in the box: stroller frame, 2 rear wheels, 2 front wheels, shopping basket, footrest rod, mosquito net, an assembly manual. To assemble, carry out the following steps. Loosen the hook and open the stroller by grasping the handlebar and front stroller frame. Push open until click sound is heard. Seat pad is to be assembled by pulling the safety harness belts and buckle for safety. Install front wheels by pulling the lever up and inserting the wheels into the sockets provided in the front of the stroller, while keeping the red locks facing front, till an audible click is heard. Install rear wheels by pushing the wheels up into the sockets until an audible click is heard, ensuring secure locking of the wheels. Insert the footrest rod into the slots provided. Install shopping basket by attaching it to the rods provided below the seat near the front and rear wheels. Secure it with buttons provided on the basket. Pull down the canopy and install the mosquito net by attaching it to the poles on either side of the stroller. Pull it down in the forward direction to cover the seat area. Secure the entire stroller frame using the security locks on the side.